So this is an example where we had an extended trend. We pulled back into that supply zone area on our lower time frames. And at the time, CCI was below the 100 line. And then when it ripped through, it popped above. So you see we're going from one extreme to the other on CCI here. Break to the upside, break to the downside, break to the upside. So what's going on here now? Well, we've broken through all this consolidation, and now we have to sit on our hands and wait. Now we have to wait for this to rejoin the downtrend, okay? So if you see an extended trend on the high time frame, you might want to say, hey, you know what? I'm just going to observe what happens at this zone. We broke through it, and we broke through all this structure. So the next move now is to break through more structure. Do you see how this zone right here, do you see how this zone is a formation that broke through structure right here? This is a formation that broke through structure. Therefore, if the leg of this move breaks through this formation, we now have a formation that broke a formation, and that is very powerful for an upward move. Okay, so that is the next step in the process. We were at the very end of this high time frame trend. Okay, we're at the very end of this high time frame trend. We've broken through this consolidation. CCI is now above positive 100. So what are we looking for? Break above all this structure here, and then a pullback into perhaps here, this drop base or this rally base rally that's right here. So let's box this out. And right here, we've got our rally base rally, and we want to see this rally base rally do some damage, right? We want to see it rip through some structure, which it did right here, broke through all of this. But remember, look at that high time frame, right? We want to see it break through this formation here. We want to see it break through this formation. So now we've got a clear picture. We have an extended trend. We want to break above the 50 simple. We really want to break above this formation here so that we can start looking for longs. What does that look like on the lower time frame? You can see it here on the 1 hour chart. Drop base rally, drop, or actually rally base rally. Now, if this pulls into this zone here, this high time frame zone, it might hit this previous week's close. If it hits that previous week's close, this is a curve zone. Okay, so the way we take an entry in a curve zone is we have to wait for a move to take place. Okay, and this is on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 15, and you can see there's the opening range. So the opening range broke to the upside. If we pull back into this opening range without violating structure here, we could get something that looks like this. So at this point in time, we are now looking to take the retest of the opening range. So do you see how many strategies we have in place? And it's all if-then statements. If our zone fails, which it did today, if our zone fails, then do this. Okay, that means we're looking for more of an upward move. CCI is telling you, start looking for those demand zones because we've broken above structure. Candles are green. Trend went extended. We might be looking for some sort of upward move. So TrendCloud is going to give you the context of your trade across multiple time frames. And if you follow the system, it's going to tell you exactly what to do each step of the way. If your zone fails, then look for the retest of the opening range to go long. Okay, it's telling me what to do every step of the way. All right, so watch this video again and you will see what to do when your zone fails, okay? Because it's not 100% every single time, and I wanted to show you that. So when your zone fails, look for the next move and let TrendCloud dictate what that move is going to be, because it is a price action mapping system, and it's going to give you the roadmap to the trades ahead of you. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.